Dear students, our today's topic is non-metals and their properties. Non-metals. Non-metal is an element that is neither malleable nor ductile and does not conduct electricity. So we can say non-metals are opposite to metals. Some of the examples of non-metals are carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, hydrogen, oxygen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. There are so many examples of non-metals. All the non-metals are solids or gases. जितने भी नॉन मेटल्स है वो या तो सॉलिड्स हैं या गैसेस हैं एक्सेप्ट ब्रोमीन which is a liquid non-metal at room temperature. ब्रोमीन एक ऐसा नॉन मेटल है जो लिक्विड फॉर्म में होता है एट रूम टेम्परेचर. नाउ प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ नॉन मेटल्स. Metals are not malleable. नॉन मेटल जो होते हैं दे आर नॉट malleable बट दे आर brittle. इसका मतलब यह है that non-metals cannot be beaten into thin sheets. They cannot be beaten into thin sheets with a hammer because non-metals break into small pieces when hammered. Example, sulfur and phosphorus, they are solid non-metals and also they are not malleable. They cannot be beaten into thin sheets. Sulfur and phosphorus non-metals are brittle. When beaten with a hammer, they break into small pieces. So, brittleness is a characteristic property of solid non-metals. Solid non-metals जो होते हैं वो brittle होते हैं. Non-metals are also not ductile. Sorry, non-metals are not ductile. It means that non-metals cannot be drawn into wires. Example, sulfur and phosphorus are non-metals and they are non-ductile. We cannot get wires from non-metals. Non-metals are neither malleable nor ductile. Non-metals are brittle. So non-metals are brittle. One more property, non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are bad conductors of heat and electricity. It means that they do not allow heat and electricity to pass through them. Example, sulfur and phosphorus, they are non-metals which do not conduct heat or electricity. But many of the non-metals are, in fact, insulators. However, some exceptions. Diamond is a non-metal which is a good conductor of heat. And another form of carbon element, graphite, is a non-metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Being a good conductor of electricity, graphite is used for making electrodes. Example as that in dry cells. Non-metals are not shiny. They are dull in appearance. However, an exception, iodine is a non-metal having lustrous appearance like that of metal. Non-metals are generally soft. Non-metals are generally soft except diamond. which is extremely hard non-metal. For example, sulfur and phosphorus are solid nonmetals which are quite soft and can be easily cut with a knife. Only one nonmetal, that's carbon, in the form of diamond, is very hard. In fact, diamond, which is an allotropic form of carbon, is the hardest natural substance known. Non-metals are not strong. Non-metals are not strong. They have low tensile strength. It means that non-metals cannot hold large weights without breaking. One more example, one more property, non-metals may be solid, liquid